Hi everybody, welcome to a new project on my channel. It is another mini album and we are making this Halloween themed mini album using Say Cheese Halloween from Simple Stories, and it is an adorable collection, as you will see. It is themed a little bit for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party at Disney World, or Disney, yeah, I think it's only at Disney World. They have a different one at Disneyland, but not super overtly. I mean, you could easily make an album that's has just Halloween, doesn't have anything to do with Disney, but this one does have some of the Disney touches. So let me show you the album. I'm playing with a clip here. So it has my usual little seam binding, hang on, and clasp, bulldog clip closure. And on the clip, I have attached this little pumpkin carriage charm, and I'm sure it's meant to be Cinderella, but it works for me for Halloween, so that's what I did. And I just used, you won't see this in the video because I did it after, but I just threaded the I just threaded the charm onto one of these little garment pins. Hang on, I'm trying to get the package open so I can film to you. I've always called them garment pins, but I believe they're also called bulb pins because they look kind of like a bulb. Can you see that? So I just threaded the charm on here and then threw the hole in the clip. And as far as these clips go, I was out of them. I had some, and I ordered these from Amazon, not paying attention to how many there were. I have enough for the rest of my natural life, and then some. I think they were like, I don't know, less than $10 for all of those. I'll post a link if I remember it. But anyway, so that's the closure. Very simple cover. The spine has nothing on it. I'm going to put one of those brads with a little ring on it so I could put a charm there. But I'm out of those and they haven't come yet. So I'll add a mat there and one of those. And then on the back we have these are from the ephemera collection. Aren't they cute? So cute. Okay. And this is the charm that I'm going to put on the spine. And if I can find the top. And I made this from a kit from Country Craft Creations. All the supplies are from Country Craft Creations. This is not a sponsored video. It's not a design team project. That's just where I got the stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. And we have here a large waterfall. 4x6 photos will fit here. And we have the identical waterfall in the back. And the only difference is I have a little boy here and a little girl here. Okay, and this is just a little tuck spot. I used a lot of the ephemera. There's 2 ephemera packs. One has this kind of stuff. The other one has the little trick-or-treating children that you saw in the back and that you'll see throughout. So we have a pocket here, and in the pocket we have a piece of the ephemera. This is one of the cut-aparts from the collection, and I just made a little folder, and there's another cut-apart on the back, and then just a little 4.5 by 6.5 photo mat to hold a 4x6 photo. So there is that. And then these are just pieces of the ephemera. There is a side pocket insert. There are 4 of them. They're all going to be the same. I'll pull this one out. They have different mats, but the sizing is the same, and you can fit a 4x6 on that as well. Okay. And then here we have just a little flip and a mat for another large photo. Here's the other next side pocket insert. And then this is the center of the book, and these are little tucks that I just put 3x4 photo mats in. These are from the ephemera collection. And this is one of the cut-aparts. And then it's going to be hard for you to see this because it doesn't all fit under the camera. But this opens up, and you have a big long scene of, let me slide it a little bit so you can see, of children. And here we have a little haunted house, or house. And we have the children trick-or-treating. These are all from that ephemera pack. And then it goes all the way down here. We have a little gate and some tombstones, and then this one has another little house, and then here we just have some more tombstones. And of course I'll show you how to do all this. And then that just tucks there. So that's the center. It's all held with magnets. And here we have a belly band, and we have inside that a little trifold. And another piece from the ephemera collection. Here we have a pocket that's a flap, which I've done quite a bit. And here we have another, just a little stop to keep things on the page. And we have a photo mat, and we have Minnie and Mickey. And one of cut aparts with Mickey on it, and a little sugar skull just there. And then this closes with a magnet. And we have in here, pull everything out, just a regular photo mat. And then we have 3 of the little graphic 45 tags that are matted on both sides, and each one has a sticker or a piece of ephemera on it. And if you don't have those, don't worry about it. The little cut aparts from the collection will fit just fine. And here's another one of the side pockets. I don't think I showed you this one. There's that one. Okay. And then here in the back, we have an accordion folder pocket that holds lots of stuff. And it's just full with some plain photo mats and cut aparts and things. And this is one of the stickers. And there's a couple more stickers. And a piece of ephemera. And that holds with a magnet. And we have this. This is actually, let me grab one of these. This is actually a little tuck, so you could put a photo here and tuck it under this little hat. And then we have the waterfall that matches the one on the front. And that is it. It's a very easy album to make. It was a lot of fun. The collection is so cute. And I guess that's about it. I used white and black artisan cardstock and one collection pack. Looks like I bruised that a little bit. And I did buy extra sheets, but it was mostly the cut aparts, and I ended up not really using them. So I think you can get by just fine with just one collection. You do need both of the ephemera packs to make it look just like this one. This charm came from Hobby Lobby. And again, I'll post a link for you to the little clip I used to hold it on. And I guess that's about it. So I do have filmed the tutorial, of course, and I will get that posted in the next few days, and there will be a cut list, of course, on my blog. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you join me to make this really cute project. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'd really appreciate it. And if you already have, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, share, all those fun things. And if you have any questions, of course, just ask them down below, and comments are always appreciated. I will see you next time, and we will get started with this album. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.